How to use Minitab properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Minitab is a powerful statistical software used by engineers, analysts, and students, but beginners often make mistakes that cost time and accuracy. Here's how to use it properly. The first mistake is skipping the basics. Most people get this wrong by jumping straight into complex analysis without learning the interface, menus, or basic commands. Take time to understand worksheets, graphs, and data entry. It saves headaches later. Second mistake, ignoring data cleaning. You won't believe how many users analyze messy data without checking for missing values, duplicates, or errors. Always clean and validate your dataset first to ensure reliable results. Third mistake, misapplying statistical tools. The surprising truth is that selecting the wrong test or chart can lead to misleading conclusions. Learn which tests apply to your data type: t-tests, ANOVA, regression, and interpret outputs correctly. Fourth mistake, neglecting visualization. Beginners often overlook Minitab's powerful graphs. Use histograms, box splits, and scatterplots to uncover patterns, spot outliers, and communicate findings clearly. Finally, failing to document work is common. Keep notes, label columns, and save versions. This practice prevents confusion when revisiting projects or sharing with colleagues. By mastering the interface, cleaning data, applying the right statistical tests, leveraging visualization, and documenting your work, you can unlock Minitab's full potential. Avoid these beginner mistakes, and your analyses will be accurate, efficient, and insightful.